Hey fam, you remember we have Jub Jub and then we have Kelly Kumalo. These two are exes who share a beautiful, beautiful son, Christian, who looks just like his daddy. But Kelly Kumalo, ever since Jub Jub came out of prison, has been denying him access to their son, citing that this man abused her, this man taught her drugs. She cringes every time she hears Jub Jub's name and everything that she's been saying, calling him a deadbeat father and everything. Jub Jub, on the other hand, spoke recently saying that he's been trying to see his son. He's been trying to get access to his son. He's been trying to pay damages and do things the right way. However, Kelly Kumalo has been denying him that. And now all he does is obviously communicate with his son privately. However, when Kelly Kumalo finds out, she then shouts at the boy. She then goes on and takes her anger issues, according to Jub Jub, on their son. Now, following Jub Jub's statement, Sandy has come out and she has penned a heartfelt letter to her nephew. Okay. She's saying, I'm not supposed to be inserting myself here because I know my lane. Majority of this is written in Zulu, so y'all are gonna have to bear with me. Anyway, she's saying that I was sitting in my place minding my own business, then I hear my name flying in the air on podcasts and interviews. I'm used to them talking about me, but they were talking about me on their interviews and podcasts. There's people pushing their own agendas when I'm not there, which then forces one to respond. I'm now being forced to insert myself, and wherever you are, my boy, that's where I'll die. I'm so sorry you have to go through this. I'm sorry you have parents who are both prepared to compromise you to feed their egos and boost their public profiles at your expense. Both your parents, I wish I could put them in the same room and give them a lashing for putting you through this. One thing I can assure you though is that they both love you so much. Daddy is not perfect and so is mommy, but they love you. Be rest assured, my boy. I wish I could say I'm gonna talk to them on your behalf, but both of them are stubborn. I try. Just grow up, my boy, so you can understand where they are both coming from and make your own decision. You know what? I love how she's handling this whole matter. I love that she's not biased in any way. I love that she's not taking sides, even though Kelly Kumalo is her sister. She's simply stating facts, I would say, and calling them both out for the way they've been behaving, for putting their ego before their son. Because honestly, when we're being honest, it really doesn't matter whether they like each other or they don't. At the end of the day, this is about this beautiful creation they made and bringing him up with both of them in his life, you know. So hopefully they will find a common ground sooner than later and allow their son to be able to experience both of them. On other news this passing weekend, Married at First Sight Season 2 cast, majority of them, not all, they were celebrating Temba's birthday at Seoul. And yeah, Temba and Nelisa are really over the moon. They are having the time of their lives, living their best lives. Nkululeko and his fiancée too. I really didn't see this fiancé thing going far, but it seems like they're really in it for the long haul. I didn't see Makoto on the clips that I saw so far. I didn't see Makoto and Palisa. I saw all of the boys and Nelisa. I also didn't see Portia, but I'm guessing maybe she had other engagements. Maybe she wasn't even in the country, maybe. Remember, her job is on the air, so maybe she was working, you know. And speaking of jobs, y'all better help Sponono find a job. She's job hunting. Y'all better share it to your friends, to your family, and whoever so that it reaches someone who can maybe offer her a job. She wrote, I'm not working. I'm a trade-tested electrician currently studying BEd degree at UNISA. I'd be happy with any kind of work. Please share and repost. My employer might be in your contacts. Your help will be greatly appreciated. So yeah, hopefully something comes up for her soon. I would really like to see her rebuild herself, you know. Otherwise, don't forget to share Sponono's post, and let's take all of this to the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.